Hi folks, today bus tour to Ring of Kerry, info at the end of the video, but first...
It's the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause this door won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'd be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in. Days pass and I'm still the same inside my head. And I can't stop thinking about what you said. I gotta tear my wall apart. And it's the only way to start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Letting go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in.
Hi folks, I'm Lawrence from Italy and my aim is to show you many places around the world from my curious human perspective. If you want, help me grow this project, snap me a like and subscribe. The Ring of Kerry is a 179-kilometer route around the Iveragh Peninsula in County Kerry in southwestern Ireland, and today I'm going to show you the places we visited starting from Cork by bus. Well, in case as usual you're interested in taking a ride here too, you know. However, the tour started at 8:30 am in Cork, the same bus to Dingle, but this time in Killarney I did not change and continued with the same bus I took. After 1 hour in this nice city we head to the Ring of Kerry. The second stop of the day was at a pub, but this time next to the pub was the Kerrybog Village Museum, an open-air museum about how people lived and worked in Ireland in the late 19th century. Small but really interesting, and then part of the entrance fee is donated to charity for all these causes, so I didn't miss the opportunity. There were also some nice horses, how cool they were. Then we drove along the roads of the peninsula, traveling along the coast and through some small towns, admiring incredible landscapes. In the early afternoon we reached our next stop, the small village of Waterville, where Charlie Chaplin used to come for a walk and where there is even a statue. Very nice, but the beach was really a better opportunity for a photographer like me. So I spent most of my time here. It was really beautiful. So we set off again after a while, this time passing through coastline again and stopping several times to take some photos. This place is famous, for example, because it was visited by Queen Victoria in the 19th century, who proclaimed that was a fine view. Then we went for a little wander around the woods of Killarney National Park, the fairy tale park for sure, with all those oak trees. We also stopped admiring this little cascade. Negative note here, there were some very small and annoying mosquitoes that I kept breathing and coughing, but it was magic, yes, of course. This was our trip to the Ring of Kerry, truly recommended. So my friends, I end my video here. Thank you very much for watching and for being with me. See you next week with another amazing Irish video. In the meantime, folks, cheers!